Good morning! Happy Saturday, guys! It's Saturday. Nakabihis na ako kasi lumabas kami din kanina. Nagpunta kami ng Spotlight. Maagang maaga. Ang aga namin nagising ngayon, tapos naligo agad kami. Punta kami ng Spotlight. Binili ko tong Crafter's Choice Suede Leather Remnants. Yung mga leather remnants, kasi nga aayusin ko yung bag ko. So, tingnan natin kung maaayos natin siya ngayon. Pero yung kakailanganin ko lang talaga is yung brown na leather na yan. Gusto ko lang sana plain leather, kaya lang wala sila. Suede lang yung available nila. So, okay lang naman. Tingnan natin kung maayos ko yung bag ko. Pero, that's that. I'm cooking breakfast. Silang kinain na niya yung breakfast niya. Yung ginawa natin yung merong chia seeds. Kinain na niya. Kasi pang ano yun eh. Friday at saka kanina, Sabado. So now, I'm cooking eggs with, ano yan, kamatis para sa aking breakfast. And manonood din kami ng Money Heist. We watched 4 episodes last night. Didn't we, babe? Yeah, nanonood kami ng 4 episodes last night, guys. Maganda siya. So sa mga hindi pa nakakanood, it's actually good, guys. Nagustuhan namin ni Dan. Ayusin ko muna tong egg ko. Where are we going, my love?
Get some chickens.
Get some chicken first?
Nope.
No, yeah. Bakit ayaw mo sabihin? Ay, wait. Ito na naman ako. Nakapanloob na naman. Chanelas. Wait sa babe. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Mainit ah. It's hot. Take this jacket off. Guys, may titingnan lang kaming bahay. That's a bit tight, my love. Malapit lang siya dito sa area namin. Si Dan kasi lagi siyang nandun sa real estate website. Tinitingnan niya just in case merong, like, you know, just in case something comes up na parang hard to miss. Pero yeah, lagi naman kami ganito, lagi naman kami nagtitingin-tingin. Why are we looking at this one?
Just to get ideas.
Get ideas? Sure. They're asking for how much on this one?
I think $795.
795,000, guys.
Which doesn't buy you a lot in Australia.
No. Yeah.
Why is it even less in Melbourne and Sydney though?
Yeah, that's true. 2-story siya na bahay, tapos double garage, right, my love?
Yeah.
Double garage.
I think this one's got 4 or 5 bedrooms.
Ooh.
And I think it's got too many bedrooms.
Too many?
You only need 5 bedrooms.
How many bedrooms are we looking for?
3 to 4.
Yeah, 4 is good. Guys, baba muna kami kasi nandito na kami sa open house. Guys, gusto ko yung floor. Tadang! Gamit ko yung phone ko. Nice. Do you like this?
Yeah, that's nice. It's really expensive.
That one?
Yeah,
Okay.
Smeg black. This is a dishwasher though.
Yeah.
See, the dishwasher looks a bit fancy as well.
Ooh, yes. Fisher and Paykel. I like that it's white. Ooh, nice.
This is like a bit like a butler's kitchen.
Ignorante na. Sorry?
This is sort of like a butler's kitchen.
Okay.
Why do they call it a butler's kitchen on here? But you'd have a sink in it, so it's just like another kitchen.
Yeah.
Main, so you can.
Okay. Gustong-gusto ko yung floor. Ito yung gusto ko. Kasi ngayon, di ba, tiles yung amin. Tapos very,
It's nice, isn't it?
shiny. Yeah, it's nice. You sure it's okay to film this?
Yeah.
Mayroon tayong maliit na outside. Ooh, babe. Gusto ko yan, babe. I like that corner there.
Not a bad, like, look at this, like you can see the hills.
Yeah, the view.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Nice street.
This phone's doing really well as well, my love, filming. It's very nice and crisp. 2 floors siya. And yun, garage na yun dun.
See, I'd actually even have a bigger laundry than this.
Bigger than this?
See, I've
Yeah.
got covered toilet on here as well.
Yeah.
So all that linen, towels. Like our laundry is.
Yeah, because I can't reach that.
Yeah.
Hindi ko yan
That's a
abot.
good idea to hang up stuff underneath.
Ang hirap niyan abutin, babe. Hindi ko yan abot.
And I would have that probably a little bit wider as well, and I'll struggle to fit a good size car.
Char. Yung sa amin ngayon, parang, what's ours right now? Is this plastic?
Stone. That's stone.
Yeah, stone yung amin.
More expensive than this.
What's
That's
this?
nicer.
Is this? I like the color.
It's just wood.
Yeah, wood or plastic? Wood.
I might have a Laminex on it. I think it's got a Laminex top. It does.
Yeah, I like this mirror.
It's not very expensive. Here's your cupboard, my love.
That's fine.
Here's your cupboard. That's not bad at all.
What's that?
Like it's where you put your Christmas tree. Stuff that you very rarely.
Yeah, this is under the stairs. Main bedroom.
Maybe. Wait, like actually, I don't think you will like it.
Okay, let's
This
see.
is a waste of an area.
Yeah.
This
can be a closet.
Yeah.
Nag-ano lang si Dan, nag-ano siya ng ideas. Magiging builder na siya.
This is what we need. A lot one of those to put all that stuff on.
Yeah.
So you have 2 shower heads as well.
Oh, nice. Yes, we can take shower together. I'll take this one. Just kidding. Yours is that. That's yours. Is that okay?
I'll show you downstairs.
We have a tub. Gusto ko yung kulay nito. Pero wood siya. Mas maganda siguro kapag stone. Yeah, I think it's better if it's stone here, right? Because like my too big.
Wood's okay.
Wood is okay?
Yeah, wood's fine. That's wood.
I know.
That,
It is wood.
It looks like it's like a...
Is that a crack?
No, it's just the nature of the wood. This is the water. This like doesn't make sense. See.
Ah, okay. Walk in. Tapos main
That's
bedroom.
not big enough, is it? Like there. This is big enough. This is fine.
Okay. Pineapple. My gosh, babe. All the signs from the universe.
Yeah. Not a bad view, is it? This is not bad.
Let's see. Yeah. Sana next time na lang nila yung bedroom, babe. They should have just extended the size of the bedroom to this.
I agree.
Because like, we're not...
Otherwise,
Yeah, no, it's okay. This is not
you
our
don't need a
house.
balcony.
Nice view, babe. Nice view.
Yeah.
Ito yung lounge nila, guys. Hindi naman siya maliit, pero like malaki kasi yung lupa.
You can have
Tapos,
that whole thing on there.
yeah, sana ito, lounge din dito. Pero mayroon siyang kwarto na hindi ginagamit masyado. Alright, what do you think, my love?
It was okay,
Yeah.
but we could do better.
Charm.
We could design better.
What?
No, we could. It was
Yeah,
like the
yeah,
design.
true.
The design could have been better.
Yeah.
A lot of wasted areas and a lot of, you know, areas that could have been used a lot better.
Yeah.
We know what we want.
There's a lot of nice houses around here.
Yeah, there's a lot of old ones, which is good to make. Like you can buy them, and like that piece of crap, you could buy that and knock it down and
Yeah. And
do
then,
something there.
yeah, do something that you like, hey?
After seeing new stuff, you don't want to buy an old place, do you?
No, we can buy an old place and then
Let's
knock
buy
it
that
down.
No,
Knock it down.
No.
No.
Renovating's not knocking down.
Well, knock
Renovating is like putting in your kitchen in, painting
Yeah,
it, floor covering.
I like the new house look. I like it. No, it really depends upon what we find. But it's so exciting. Mahal yung mga bahay. Depende kung saan kayo maghahanap ng bahay. So, sa area na malapit sa amin, medyo malapit kasi kami sa city. So, medyo may kamahalan siya. Like, the farther you are from the city, the less expensive the houses are, right, babe?
Yeah, generally.
So for
that's
that,
how it works.
yeah, for that price,
But like if you live, say, 20 kilometers away.
yeah.
Yeah, you live 20 kilometers. Like we live, this is about 10 kilometers away from the city, but you live 20.
Yeah.
You get like a much bigger house.
Yeah,
but you're
for that
further away.
price.
Yeah. I don't mind that.
Yeah, I don't mind that.
You don't mind that?
No. I don't
Okay,
mind
well, that's good. We're not, yeah, okay.
that. I don't mind that.
Because that's a whole lot of house, that place. And a good
Yeah.
sized block.
Yeah. So, mas maganda kung malaki yung lupa kasi over the years, hindi naman tumataas yung presyo ng bahay. Yung tumataas ang presyo is ang lupa. Right, babe?
That's right. What did you say?
The house price doesn't really go up. Over the years, it's the land.
No, that's right.
Yeah.
The land value goes up.
Yeah.
Houses
so-
get older, so.
Yeah, and it depreciates. Is that the
That's right,
term?
yeah. Buildings depreciate.
That's right.
Land increases.
That's
value.
right. So, mas maganda kung malaki yung lupa So, depende din talaga. We're not in a hurry. Hindi naman kami naghahanap ngayon. Pero like, kapag may mga nakikita kaming open house na yung area is okay sa amin, tinitingnan talaga.
Are you gonna film come out to our house? No. Okay.
Sinabi namin sa agent na nagbebenta ng bahay na ipa-check.
What about that house?
Yeah, I don't mind that.
Okay, I like that house, isn't it?
Yeah. Na ipa-check yung bahay namin. So what is he gonna do? He will just like evaluate?
I want to come out, tell us what our house is worth.
Yeah.
And then I would like him to tell us what works we need to do before we put it on the market.
Yeah.
Like, he might say, look, you gotta paint it,
Yeah.
you gotta do this, you gotta do that.
Yeah. So, nag-ano kami sa kanya guys, nagpabook kami ng appointment sa kanya, pupunta siya sa bahay, tapos i-check niya yung bahay namin, sasabihin niya sa amin kung magkano mabibenta yung bahay namin. Yung bahay namin is, how many square meters?
What's that?
Our house.
The land or the building?
The, like, I don't know, the building, the land?
Building's 220, the land's 350.
Oh, okay. And how much do you think it's gonna sell for? How much do you think? So we'll see what Tom thinks.
590 to 600.
Okay.
Maybe 580 to 600.
So that's the single garage lang yan guys, and yung square meters. So that's what he thinks. We'll see.
That's what I mean. All good. Let's get some chicken.
Let's get some chicken, guys. We're home. Nagpunta lang kami ng Foodland. Bumili lang kami ng chicken para lunch namin. Keto. Usually hindi ako nagluluto ng weekends kasi weekends relax. So, yan yung lunch namin ngayon. Usually kasi weekends, may lakad din kami, pero ngayon wala. So, yan yung lunch, chicken. We got eggs, mushroom. Hindi ito pang weekly, lang ha. Ngayon lang to. Capsicum. Gusto ni Dan magluto ako nito mamaya. Mamayang gabi para dinner niya. We got bacon. And this, nakita ko siya naka-sale. Meron pa naman kami, pero nakita ko siya naka-sale. $4.20 lang siya. So, we got that one. Kain tayo. Guys, I'm just getting ready. Aalis ako, magpapa-nails ako. Kasi tingnan nyo yung nails ko, guys. Grabe talaga siya tumubo. Ang bilis niya tumubo. Kasi sabay kami ni Lyra. And kay Lyra, hindi ganito ka bilis yung tubo sa kanya. Tapos, in fairness sa kanya, strong talaga yung nails ko. Sana, diba, nilagay yan sa buhok kaysa sa nails. Okay. And meron silang ito. So, kapag nagpagawa ka, magsastamp yan sila. Tapos, kapag umabot dito sa pang-5, yung pang-6 na service mo, 10% off. Oh, good?
Oh, good.
Did you put Lyra's food in it?
It's in the big bag.
She
texted about 10 minutes ago, saying she's in the car.
She said, like around 5 minutes ago, she said it's going to be around 10 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm just gonna get the car ready, connect my phone because I'm going to Golden Grove, not her place. Yeah. Love you. Dito ako sa labas, guys. Nihintay ko si Lyra para diretso na kami kasi baka masarahan na kami ng nails. Dito si Danny Boy. Hintay siya with me. Hintay namin si Lyra. Mag-u-Uber siya. Galing siya city. Mag-u-Uber siya pagpunta dito sa amin. 10 minutes daw, sabi niya. Bibigyan ko sila nung ginawa ko kahapon, yung mango gram de leche. Nandyan. Lagyan ni Dan ng ice pack kasi magpapanails pa kami.
So, I put mine to heat tonight while you're gone. So, cut in half the capsicum.
Yep.
And then
put salt.
So, how long to cook the
190 degrees.
Yeah, but how long for?
Put it for 10 minutes, just the capsicum first.
Okay.
Just do 10 minutes and then put the egg.
Yep.
And then the bacon, it's better to cook it in the air fryer so it's easy and it's cooked. So cook the egg.
So 10 minutes of capsicum and put the egg in.
Yeah, put the egg in. There's really no timing for the egg.
Any
Just
oil?
check.
No oil.
No oil. And then
cheese goes after bacon.
Yeah, once the egg is cooked, put the cooked bacon and then cheese.
Yeah, I'll do that.
So once the egg is cooked, turn off the oven.
Okay.
Yeah, and then put the bacon and the cheese.
You didn't eat the chicken?
I ate a little bit.
If I eat it, are you angry?
No, you can have it. Do you want to eat it?
Might as well.
That can be my dinner. Oh, are we going out?
Don't know. Play by you.
Okay.
Hello, how are you?
Dito na si Lyra, guys.
See ya.
Hello, Day.
See you, babe.
Bye, love you.
Have you drive safe. Window up.
Yep. Window up.
Tagal ni Kuya. Initot niya ako.
Inikot ka niya? Agoy. Dito na siya, guys.
Diba,
Okay lang naman. Hindi, kasi as long as before 4, nandun tayo. Di ba 1 hour lang naman yung lens? Pero okay lang naman. Tingnan mo yung akin, Lai. Grabe na talaga.
Pagit to sa akin. Tignan mo, bakit nag-yellow?
Oo nga. Oo nga. Bakit sa hugas? Sa hugas ba yan?
Hindi ko alam kung ano ginawa ko. Tapos nag-yellow yung kamay ko. Pangit tignan.
Pero at least hindi sobrang haba. Kasi yung akin sobrang haba talaga.
Oo nga, ang haba ng sa'yo.
Ang
tagal ng pagkain.
Doon sa ano nyo? Kinainan nyo?
Sa British.
Ay! Dinahan kita ng gumawa ako kahapon ng gram de leche. Char, diba?
Ikaw na talaga yung may
Yung may
paganyan.
mango float na may leche flan.
Bongga ka!
Tapos si Dan ayaw kasi keto. Char kay si Dan.
Nag-keto diet siya?
Oo, tapos nagsistick talaga siya daw. Hindi talaga siya uminom ng soft drinks. Hindi talaga siya kumakain ng leche flan. Hindi, yung leche flan ko, hindian nga niya eh. Very good talaga siya.
Kasi favorite niya din yung leche flan.
Sabi, hindi tumikim. Wala talaga.
Keto diet siya.
Ang galing nga
yung
din.
keto diet na yan.
Para Boracay ba?
Ay, oo nga.
Body goals.
Body goals, bro.
Ang lapit na kaya. Isang buwan na lang.
Oo nga. Sakto yan.
Tapos marami kasi yung ginawa ko.
Lumalabas kami, hindi ako, parang yun yung escape ko para uminom ng soft drinks, pero hindi talaga ako uminom. Tubig lang talaga ako.
Oo, sa bahay kasi ako tubig din.
Kasi parang yun yung excuse mo para uminom ng soft drinks pag nasa labas ka kain, diba? Hindi talaga ako uminom. Sabi, tubig galing.
Ikaw kanina, hindi ka uminom?
Hindi.
Ako kasi kapag lumalabas din, napapainom din talaga ako.
Kasi parang yun yung,
Oo, kasi sa bahay wala eh. Tapos na kami. Kami nag-close ng mall. Tingnan yung akin. Wow, glitter.
Wow, bright pa more.
Wow, sa kanya, neon.
Neon.
Akin, glitters. Pang ano to guys? Uy, Christmas party.
Christmas party. Wala pa akong damit Christmas party.
Wala pa siyang damit, may nails na siya. Ako yung damit ko, mga ganito yung kulay, pero hindi glittery.
Okay na kaya akong dress dye.
Kaya nga, meron ka?
Wala, maghanap ako.
Oo nga. Guys, di ba nandito ako? Makikikain ako. Si Lyra kasi. Ay, sabi mo kanina, pagsakay namin ng car, sabi niya, may pusit ako dun. At lubuhin natin. Alam nga naman, maghindi ako eh. Gusto ko kumain din. Dito na kami. Kasi si Dan okay na siya eh. Sorted na yung kanyang dinner.
Oo nga. Wala ka mga asawa eh.
Oo, wala din si Tony. Sikat yung next ko, sikat. Si Lovely, text natin.
Text mo.
Text ko si Lovely. Kain na tayo guys, dumating na yung isa. Dumating, wala na siyang bata. Hinatid lang siya ni Neil at saka ni Veronica.
Veronica.
Si Lovely papunta na. Diba ang ulam natin?
Dami.
Daming ulam. Yan yung niluto nila kanina, adobong pusit. Ano to lang, pinakbit? Munggo da.
Guyam?
Hindi namin inintay yung isa. Tagal kasi, bala siya. Dito na siya, guys.
Lagi mo na ganun.
Yay! Ay, hindi na ako marunong mag-edit niyan.
Mag-edit ka naman na maayos.
Pa-confetti.
Special, ano yan. Pag ganyan dahil ba?
Ganito yan eh, Dior.
Saan? Uy, paano mo nalaman? Bakit ako? Nanood ka?
Kayo lang naman ang nanood.
Hindi ako nagmamain talaga dahil.
Dior.
Mayroon akong specific na gusto na hindi ko talaga. Kahit maganda, hindi ako nagmamain talaga. Pero yun ang time na yun na, ano pala yung naisip ko, lahat na namin naisip ko.
Lasing ka ba no?
Kasi yung mga tira natin na sarap tayo, hindi tayo.
Kulay ng ano mo. Kaya nga nang cotton.
Oo nga, yan nga. Sabi ko nga sa'yo.
Ay, oo nga!
Uy.
Lagyan mo kong confetti, dahil.
Palagyan na siya ng confetti.
VIP?
Yung mango float. Ang kasi.
Kumain ako.
Sarap?
Sarap. Kumain ka na?
Ay, ako inaantay ni Rich na kasi magaling ako mag...
Hindi din si Kati. Honest to eh. Sabihin to mapait.
Pero yung sabi talaga dun sa leche flan, ang galing ni ate sa leche flan mag-review. Ang detailed talaga.
Wow, bakit?
Sino ko yung comment?
Char. Ang sarap ng mangga niyan. Ang tamis. Diba?
Yung mangga lang, no? Sana mangga lang.
Sana mangga na lang dinala.
Kasi di ba ano na kayo nakaksayo ng parang...
Mga walang hiya talaga to mga babaeng to.
Tikman natin to.
Ano pangalan nito?
Ano nga daw yung
Mango gram de leche.
Mango gram de leche? Mango? Wait lang ha. Pantay lang.
Ang sarap, ang milky. The best.
Ano yun, gara na sayang
Ito na
usa.
gagawin niyo daw sa press party.
Kasi kung may isasarap pa yung chief na promise.
Ewan ko sa'yo. Ay, wala na eh. Off ko na.
Alam mo,
Sarap talaga dahil.
Sarap?
alam mo,
Gusto mo yan?
mag-ano ka na ng dessert. Kasi,
Magnegosyo?
Next mo, plan.
yan,
Next mo po
Yan
yung plan.
Wow, may pa request.
sa mga niluluto
Huwag
ni
na
Rice,
melet si
dyan
Plan.
siya,
The best.
dyan siya nag-excel.
Sa ano? Sa leche flan?
Hindi, sa pa-dessert mo. Ang dessert pa naman
Tinry
ang
ko.
very hard to
Tomato.
make.
Oh.
Kasi
Kasi
ikaw magluto.
it's either too,
dessert ka na lang.
too sweet or not, or blunt lang. Pero, huwag ka magluto ng ulam ha. Uy, ang sarap.
Walang hiya to. Dito ako palutuin ng ulam. Sarap?
Ano to? Magkasama talaga siya?
Oo.
Saan mo nakuha yan?
Eh kasi, kasi may nakita, parang may nag-send sa akin ng link ng gram de leche. Sasayaw sila guys.
Sino sa'yo na?
Ano yan?
Kami na.
Practice sila para intermission number per Christmas party. Sige na. Sige na. Practice na kayo. Uy, tinulungan na namin yan. Okay na? Okay na? Sige. Sige, kita. Taki. Gawa-gawa ka. Tinulong, vlog ko yun. Pwede ma-edit. Uy, maganda yung sniping mo.
Ay, ganyan.
Oh, ang galing mo.
Ay, hindi. Isa-isa pala. Hindi. Yung ko na may last iba siya.
Wala pa kang 1 minute.
May sakit sa puso.
Wala pa kang 1 minute.
Pinapakita niya mo na kung paano gawin.
Long motion talaga.
Walang unggoy.
Dahil ang ganda niya ang pagdami.
Uwi na kami. Ayan, magpa-practice na si Lyra. Magpa-practice yan sa kwarto. Tapos lalabas kasi si Tony nandun. Bigla na lang gano'n yan kay Tony.
Iba na pala pinapractice.
Nag-practice na pala. Tara na. Salamat, Lai. Thank you,
Salamat,
Lai.
Day.
Thank you very much. As
Okay na yung
usual.
ating plan.
Oo, okay na. May lista na ako. Naka-ano na yun. Naka-blood pack na yun itong plan natin.
Bakit hingal kayo?
Sa'yo lang. Hindi kasi naka-level 1 lang ako eh. Yung finalo ko level 1 pa, ganun-ganun lang.
Level 2 yung pinalo namin. Hindi ko alam.
Oh. Mag-ano ka eh. Ano ka? Magawa ka ng dance cover. Ay, dalawa.
Basi pakita lang natin sa kanila yung 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sige.
Ganun.
Sige, go.
Finish mo yan.
Parang ibang music naman yun.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3.
Hindi kayo magkasabay.
Ano bang hips
Ano
lang?
ba dito? Okay, sige. 1, 2,
Left
Sige.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Hindi pa din.
Then, wala na.
Practicein nyo yan na maayos, girls.
Hindi nagpapakita.
Hindi pwede yan, hindi. Hindi pwede yan, hindi nagsasabay. Tara na eh. Thank you, Lai.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry for the disturbances.
Disturbances of the people.
Disturbances of the people.
Disturbances talaga.
Sorry for the disturbances of the people. Thank you, Tony. Hi guys, bahay na ako kanina pa. Nakapag-mask na nga ako gamit ko yung Timmy na mask. And dry na siya. So, I'm ready to wash it off. Nakalimutan ko kayo ng very light, guys. Pero tinatapos ko na yung aking skincare. Naglagay lang ako ng moisturizer. And now, maglalagay ako ng eye cream. Yung eye cream na ginagamit ko, ito pa din. Yung Maison. Yung multi-function formula snail repair eye cream. Yan pa din yung ginagamit ko hanggang ngayon. Kasi hindi pa siya nauubos. Kapag nauubos na siya, mag-move on tayo sa next. Na hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung next. Kasi malapit na siya maubos. Diba lang. Kailangan lang pala siyang itak-tak mo. Ito pala yung close-up ng aking kuko, guys. Very glittery. Yung dress ko pala na jumpsuit. Magja-jumpsuit ako eh. Nasusuotin ko sa Christmas party. Dumating na. So, parang may reference na talaga ako kung anong kulay. And, it's close to this color naman. So, yeah. Okay na. Kaya lang, malayo-layo pa yun. 3 weeks pa yun. So, yung kuko ko, hahaba siya. Kaya lang wala na akong choice kasi sobrang haba na talaga ng kuko ko, guys. And ayoko namang magpa-nails ulit na malapit na yung Christmas party. Kasi magpapa-nails ako ulit eh. Before ako umuwi ng Pilipinas. Yun, mas importante. Kasi 3 weeks akong wala. So, dapat bago talaga yung nails ko before ako umalis. Alam mo yun? Anyway, yun na yung vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Please like this video kung nagustuhan nyo yung vlog. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Bye.